Hey, how's it going? It's John with Deer Outdoors. Coming at you with the SIMRAD on the boat. The other day I noticed that the depth was not working, so I went to the echo screen or any other screen and it just wasn't reading the depth, and it said that it was paused. So I am going to change out my old transducer, which I already did, but go back and then I'll show you how I did that.
Yeah, good catch.
Oh man, check that out. I'm at the back of the boat now, and this is my transducer. It's the device that sends the imaging and the depth back to the screen, the SIMRAD. And as you can see, it's a little busted up, several cracks in the housing there. There's a crack, and you know, it just feels like it's fallen off. There's a crack up there. So what I think is that finally bit the dust. It's been like that for a minute. What I'm gonna have to do is this line running, I'm gonna have to replace it. I'll show you what I got here in a second to replace it. I gotta get this one off first, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, I'm in the mount now, so I can get to this a little bit easier. I'm going to take this off, but I'm gonna leave this mount because I'm hoping that it'll plug right into the other thing. I doubt it will, but here's trying. So get this part off. Just add a little nut in the back, and then this should go right through. Slowly it'll back out. A little more. Okay. So this should, yeah, that comes right off. That should come off too somehow. It's probably got just little clips in there, but we're gonna take this part off. Well, yeah, see, it came right off. Huh. Okay. Yeah, all dinged up. Let me put this stuff up here. How do I get this off? Okay. It like clips on. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. That's off. Let me get some wire cutters and clip those. I'll show you. So here's the wire situation. Gotta clip that one off. Wire cutters. I'll have to get some screw on these. But now I gotta get this from here. It goes into that bilge area, into a pipe, up into the console. So let's go take it out from the console real quick. Okay, going into the console. It's dark in here. Here is the back of the SIMRAD, if you can see it. And this is the back of the thing. So I just gotta take that out, and then I gotta get it around here and down into, take this off, and look at that mess. I gotta one day just fix all this. That's just garbage to leave it like that. So this has got to come out, and then there's a little thing in there. I got to run it all the way through. So let's start working on that. Okay, so I got my cord unzip tied all the way down to the way down where it goes into the pipe, I think. So I got to go back to the bilge access area, Grab my flashlight. Down in here. And the cord I'm looking for is right here. So you gotta undo these zip ties and then pull it out, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do on the thing, because I need a rope. Okay, so usually what I like to do, this is good practice, I think. I don't know, I'm definitely not an expert, but I like to electrical tape the crap out of some, this is paracord and just a bunch of it. And as I pull this through, it's gonna hopefully bring all this through, and then I can use this cord, tie it to the other electronic device, so I can get it back through the conduit, the electrical conduit, a little easier. So, all right, I got my cord. I'm pulling this, and see how easy it comes out. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it ain't coming out easy, because I got a lot of cord in there. So I'm gonna keep on pulling on this. Hopefully it comes through nice and easy. Okay, let's go check the other side. Paracord's there, and looks like it's getting close. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna keep on pulling it. Yeah, I'm already at a snag. Let's see if I can wiggle this through. Nope, I'm gonna have to fight the other side. Look who saved the day. We got it out, and we're gonna try and put in the other one. Thank you. This is the new transducer. It is the active imaging 3-in-1 transducer, and hopefully it is a better replacement for ours. It looks pretty cool. It's got some good pictures. Let's see what's inside the box. Paper. Manual, dog. A bag of screws. Another manual. Metal bar. Another metal bar. And the transducer. Cool. Oh, what's this? That's just the box. Alright. Alright. This is it. Let's get this and do the opposite thing of what we did with the other cord. See you out there. Okay. We got the cord through its position by the motor into the bilge area. So I got to fish it out of the bilge area and get it onto this rope. Okay, so now that the cable is through there a good amount into the bilge, it's time to tape our rope to this and feed it through the console. My favorite part. Let's do it. Okay, got my string. Let's start pulling. Okay. Go to the back. Now we're probably gonna have to feed it through here. It's down there. Yeah, it's gonna need to be fed a little bit. Okay. Go back to the string. Okay, I gotta play with this. Okay, second time I had to climb the console today, but check this out. Yep, we made it through. Now, just gonna bring it a little bit more, plug it into the old SIMRAD, and then I'm gonna read about it a little bit, make sure I don't screw anything up, but we'll see if it's working, and we'll mount it. Okay. So what's cool, and why I didn't take off the, why I didn't take this off outright, is that my old transducer thing, it's just plastic, it shouldn't affect the, shouldn't affect anything, has the same hole set as this. So I can just take the screws that they gave me, screw it onto this, and it should mount right back up. And then maybe we'll montage it or something. Let's put this in here, where this was. This should slide right back on. Yeah. Yep, that clips right back on like it wasn't even off. And then we stick this in here. Transducer's got to be level. One click down. No, I think that ought to do it. Maybe one click down. Right there. Probably in the same spot, but okay. That's it. Let's look at the manual and see how to turn this thing on. Okay. So it still says pause, which ain't good. So what we're gonna do, clear cursor. I'm gonna try and reset it. You mess with it a minute, it should give us some sort of depth. So after messing around with a lot of the settings on this, after getting the old transducer in, I ended up having to delete the new update it was trying to install. So I got that off of here, and then I went here. So you go back to the echo screen, boom. So this is what it looks like. You gotta have this part selected. You go to this bar, you go to more options, and there's a pause right there. I think it paused itself because the transducer was broken. So click that, and then after it's on pause, it should be getting some readings, and that should tell you your depth. I'm gonna test it hopefully on Sunday. All right, real quick, I'm out on the water, and guess what? I got depth, so this worked. It worked. Changing the transducer, it was awesome. So hopefully we can get more fish. See you next time on Deer Outdoors. 11 feet. Dude, we just were cruising. Look at these fish. So many fish. I think they're a bunch of little Spanish, but oh my gosh, dude. These things are crazy. Blowing up the water. Oh, we've got to try and hook up. We've got to try it. There's so many of them. There's so many of them. Holy smokes. They are everywhere. Oh, is it recording? Ah, come on. There we go. There we go. Yeah! Yeah, dude! Oh my gosh! This is awesome. Oh, I'm boat flipping this guy. Come on. Oh my gosh. It is not a Spanish, it is a giant ladyfish. Right here. That's a big old ladyfish. That's gross, but we're gonna see if we get a Spanish out of these. Ah. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's a Spanish, I think. All right, I'm gonna flip it. Watch out. Oh my gosh, yeah, Spanish. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay.
So much blood.
Yeah. These guys are bloody. Okay.
Can you keep them?
Yep. There's no size limits on Spanish. Oh, dude! Oh my gosh, it was right up next to the boat! Come on. Oh my gosh, yes, that is a nice Spanish.
Do you need?
No, I'm gonna boat flip. Okay, okay. Okay, easy, 1, 2, 3. Oh god, no! Okay. Spanish! Okay, easy, buddy.
What you mean?
Huh?
Okay,
Easy, easy, guy. You're bleeding. Okay. All right, if I can get 2 more of these, that is a good Spanish taco for lunch tomorrow. Maybe dinner. Yeah. Okay. Where are they at? You see any more?